I'm so motivated to move AMG forward because I know where we started from and I know where we are today.
AMG Engineering and Machining is located in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're involved in 3 areas of business: CNC machining aerospace parts, and then assembly of different flow control valves.
All our machines are CNC machines, and every machine has a CNC program to make a particular part. Those programs, if they are not protected, and anybody can get into and make changes, you crash the machine. And then with that crash, it can hurt person, it can damage your equipment, or you can make bad parts. And all these risks are avoided following these cybersecurity rules.
The challenges with cybersecurity were many, and we reached out to Purdue University through their MEP.
My name is Eugene Jones. I work for Purdue MEP, which is a part of the MEP National Network. One of the first things that we worked with AMG Engineering regarding was meeting the mandatory cybersecurity requirements to work with Department of Defense. And that enabled them to quickly get to a point where they met the NIST 800-171 requirements for cybersecurity, which not only protected their DoD revenue, but protected their relationships with other defense primes as they asked for validation and certification that was complete.
Today's challenges has forced a lot of us to go beyond what we thought would be necessary to have a secure environment.
AMG has a system in place to protect the data, and that doesn't come from someone's knowledge or experience. It comes from organizations like MEP.
This initiative, the Industry 4.0, is now, and it affords us an opportunity to be among the companies that's progressive and moving forward. That's what we want to be.
What makes AMG Engineering unique is their wide range of capabilities. Their list of clients is a who's who list of the industrial companies within the United States.
We have a responsibility to try to make the world a little bit better. And the thing that I'm looking forward to most is completing our efforts to achieve a high level of Industry 4.0. I would like to take AMG Engineering as far as we can take it.